Hey, hi, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you the beauty of Cleave.js. It helps us to format your input when you are typing. So basically, Cleave.js gives us various types of input formatting like credit card number, phone number, date formatting, time formatting, numerical formatting, custom options. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Cleave.js with reactjs web applications. So for that you have to install a brand new create react app and also install this Cleave.js package. So I have already installed this package and created a react app. So I'm assuming that you are already know how to create brand new react app and also how to install a npm package. So as I said, I have already installed. So inside this app.js file, I have write something about Cleave.js. So after installing that, you have to bring this package import Cleave from cleave.js/react. After importing the package, so you have to decide which type of formatting you want. Like you have to pass this format inside the options object. So the first one, I'm format my credit card number, so that's why I just pass the credit card through inside the options object. So for that, if you refresh this here, if you write any number, this will format as like a credit card. See, this is the thing. So you can format your credit card input number in a very simple way. You have to just pass the credit card to inside the options object. So to get this value or number, you can use the value and the unchanged one. We are already know why we use value and unchanged, because we have to get this number from user. So that's why we are storing this in a state which is the number. So that's why it's used a value and unchanged. It's a very simple thing. Also you can format your date of birth or and phone number or time. So it's very simple. Also you have to just pass these options inside the options object. Like if I want to format my date, like that's why I have to pass date true, delimiter, hyphen and date pattern, date, year, month and date. So for that, if I write my date, it will format as like date format. Also you can format the numeral formatting. If you write a huge number, it will format a new numeral format. See, if you want to like show as a lakh, so these things will format as lakh. If you want to format like one, this will format as one. If you want to format 1,000, this will format as like 1,000. It's very simple. You have to just pass numeral 1,000 group style, 1,000, lakh and 1. That's it. And if you want to format your input as spatial options or custom option, so you have to just pass this thing. So if I copy these things and if we write p custom formatting, so I have to write Cleave options. I have to pass these things. So I'm just using the class name. With your class name, it will look very ugly. So that's why I'm using this class name. If we refresh this thing, okay, the custom input formatting, the custom formatting input is here. So if I write something, it will format as like as I defined here, like blocks. The first blocks will be 4, then 3, 3 and 4. So yeah, this is the Cleave.js. It's easy. You can use your React project or any other project. You can use a very easy way. So yeah, that's it. If you feel like this video is helpful, you can like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.